我發覺好多香港嘅朋友咧都會習慣喺 breakfast、lunch、dinner 前面加個 my 字。例如我今日冇食午餐，佢哋會話 I didn't have my lunch today。雖然佢唔算係錯，但係佢絕對係唔常見嘅文法。喺英文裏面咧有啲表達方式就真係要加 my 喺個東西前面嘅。Wash my hands, brush my teeth, do my homework。其實我哋用中文表達早午晚餐咧，都唔係成日會加我嘅或者你嘅喺前面。例如我哋會話食早餐，而唔會話食我嘅早餐。或者準備晚餐，我未必會話準備我嘅晚餐。咁我哋睇下幾個例子。你通常食咩做早餐㗎？ What do you usually have for breakfast？ 你午餐打算食乜？ What are you having for lunch？ 我仲未食晚餐， I haven't had dinner yet。 你今個週末想唔想一齊食午餐？ Do you feel like having lunch this weekend？ 咁乜嘢時候先至需要喺 breakfast、lunch、dinner 前面加限定詞呢？所謂限定詞就係 my、your、the 呢啲字。當我哋真係要指明嗰一餐係邊一個嘅，我哋就會用啦。呢個係你嘅晚餐啊？你節食緊？ That's your dinner? Are you on a diet？ 唔好掂嗰份三文治啊！我個早餐嚟㗎。Don't touch that sandwich. It's my breakfast。 佢今日漏咗佢個午餐喺屋企。He left his lunch at home today。 你收聲食你個早餐啦。Just shut up and eat your breakfast。 嗰個公司嘅晚餐真係超悶。The company dinner was so boring。 呢度考下你嘅聆聽，睇你聽唔聽懂我問乜嘢。What do you usually have for breakfast？ What do you usually have for breakfast？ 喜歡呢條片記住幫手 like、comment 同埋 share。想支持我繼續拍片就歡迎訂閱嘅 Patreon 平台。